What's up guys, and welcome back to another crypto roll video. Today's topic will be one promising meme project that is built on Ethereum. They're called Little Pepe, they're EVM protocol, they have great things to offer, so guys, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see in front of you is Little Pepe, the newborn EVM layer 2 machine called Little Pepe. Before we continue, you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor, nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. Everything else is on you. That means that you need to do your own research before any investment of yours. With that said, we can continue. So you can see that in front of you is their pre-sale that is live right now. They are in the stage 3. They already sold $4.4 million, which is a great amount. The next price increase is coming very soon. 99.70% already sold. So what they stand for: first, you can see the New World Order with LILPEPE, that's the ticker for the token, where the unstoppable force of memes meet their home in low cost lightning fast layer 2 EVM protocol enabled by Little Pepe chain. So here you can see some important things. Anyone who is willing to participate in the pre-sale, how to do it, it's very simple stuff. Here you can see that they're supporting Ethereum and USDT and also credit cards. You need to have some of your Web3 wallets. How to do it? Anyone who is willing to participate, you need to connect some of your Web3 wallets. By clicking here, you will be able to see how much wallets are supported, but the most common one, Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, or the MetaMask wallet. Once you connect some of your wallets, it's very simple. You need to have some Ethereum or USDTs in your wallet. Next thing guys, important, they are operating on Ethereum blockchain, which means that you need to have some Ethereum in your wallet for the gas fees. Once you connect your wallet, once you approve all the transactions, you will be the proud owner of the Little Pepe or Lil Pepe token. That's for everyone who is willing to participate, but this is not a financial advice. I'm just explaining you how you can do it. Let's find out more about the project so you can see why would you actually want to do it. So about Little Pepe, the next evolution of meme coins, Little Pepe is a layer 2 blockchain engineered for speed, security, ultra low fees, and powered by memes. At the heart of the ecosystem lies Little Pepe, the utility token fueling every corner of the Little Pepe network. You are still early, just in time to witness the rise to the new golden era for meme coins, with Pepe regaining supreme as king and Little Pepe Layer 2 as his unstoppable kingdom. Here also is another explanation how to buy it, very simple. So first one, let's go with Ethereum, very simple to understand. You'll be directed right here. So how to buy Little Pepe? First, this is for Ethereum. Prepare your wallet, get some Ethereum in your wallet, connect to the dApp you have in the upper right corner place where you can connect the wallet. Choose your payment option. So if you're choosing the Ethereum or USDT, enter purchase amount. So enter the amount of Ethereum or USDT you want to invest in the Little Pepe pre-sale. The dashboard will display how many Little Pepe tokens you will receive for the selected amount. Confirm your selections and click buy button to proceed. Verify the confirm the transaction. Your wallet will display transaction details, how much it will cost, details in the fees and everything else that you need. Confirm the transaction with your wallet and wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Ethereum network, which may take time depending on the network congestion, if it's busy right now or not. When you're purchasing with USDT, users must complete 2 transactions. First transaction is to approve USDT contract, the second transaction is for the actual purchase amount. Ensure both steps are completed to finalize your transaction. That's how simple it is. Here, if you want to purchase Ethereum with a card, so here you can see visit one of the following on-ramp website like Ramp Network, Transact, or MoonPay. Buy Ethereum and send it directly to your wallet. Follow on-screen instruction provided by the platform. Very simple. Buy Little Pepe with Ethereum. Once you acquire Ethereum in your wallet, you can proceed to purchase Little Pepe using the same wallet, following step outlined earlier in this article where you can learn everything. So that's how simple it is. Now let's find out more about them. So here we are coming to their roadmap. Here you can see the first one is the pregnancy, which is Pepe got a baby on the way. Launching pre-sale is coming. Big name partnerships, community hype, max vibes. The next one is the birth one, so it's a boy, he's a moon ready, already listed on top exchanges and also Uniswap since they are on Ethereum. 1 billion market cap or bust. Massive marketing blitz is coming and Lil Pepe go pair. So growth is the third one, from baby meme to the blockchain beast, ultra fast, secure and very cheap. Layer 2 EVM, build different, Little Pepe becomes the king and hits top 100 on a coin market cap. So all hail to the Little Pepe chain. Here you can see their tokenomics, how they're going to distribute the tokens. You can see total supply is 100 billion token, 26.5% is going for the pre-sale, for the staking and for the rewards 13.5%, for future centralized exchange listing 10%, for liquidity 10%, chain reserve 30%, and for the marketing also 10%. Great distribution of the tokens. I like the chunk up for the marketing because they will increase the visibility of the token only. That's going to increase and attract more potential investors. If you want to be in touch with the project, you need to follow them first. After that, you need to check any useful tweets so you can see what's happening with the project. Stay in touch with the project. They have already 173 posts. They have also giveaway that is live. We can see that also on their website, and also there is the official Telegram group. You can see they have 12.4 thousand members, active community, lovely community. My suggestion is also to be in there, have a great time, stay in touch with the project and generally be updated. So guys, I explain you everything that you need to know. I like the layer 2s on Ethereum right now because they have strong potential. Why? First, Ethereum will be definitely the most lovable blockchain in this bull run that we are all waiting. Current situation in the world is a bit hard for everyone, especially for the crypto space, but some great things are coming. Rate cut in America is coming. That's going to unlock a lot of money. Trump is there, who likes to support the crypto and who likes the crypto. That's important stuff. And also we all wait for that bull run that needs to happen once the Bitcoin halving is done. So that's all the factors that are included. So I think we will have a busy summer and definitely autumn. We will see in the future. So that's why we all need to accumulate some tokens if we want to ride that bull market. So with all of that said, I will finish the video. Layer 2s on Ethereum, I mentioned why I think they have strong potential against the other one, but that's only my opinion. Don't take this for granted. I'm just giving you my opinion, what I think about the market. That's why I'm always saying to you that you need to do your own research, you need to understand crypto because it's a very catchy space. Please guys, in the comment section below, tell me what you think about Little Pepe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.